How to add AdSense code to your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add Google AdSense code to your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you will open up your WordPress website. Now we have a WordPress website and we want to add Google AdSense to it. So it's really easy to do. You will require a code, and a lot of people get confused when it comes to coding and they're like, okay, how to do that? Where to add the code on WordPress website. So that's what I will show you today really quickly and the easiest way. So let's get started. Simply open up the dashboard of your WordPress website, and then what I want you guys to do is simply scroll down to appearance right here. In appearance, you will find a option which is known as theme file editor. This is going to be the last option right here in appearance. Click on theme file editor. Now it will open up our file editor for us where we can edit our theme with coding, and that's where we embed our Google AdSense code. So this is right here, edit themes, and we have our theme right here and we can edit it. So you will find the theme files right here. And in here, you have to look for theme header because that's where we can embed the Google AdSense code. So here it is, theme header, which is also known as header.php. Click on theme header. Once you click on theme header, it will open up the code for header. So here we have our header PHP, and here you have to look for the word head. So it won't be like below, it will be right here at the top, and you will find this word right here, head. And then we also have /head. So these are the two commands. This is the code where we will be adding our Google AdSense code. So this is where you add them right here at head. Go to Google AdSense now, and you will open up your Google AdSense account and get the code from Google AdSense, your account code. It gets you a code. It's really easy to find it on Google AdSense. You can just go to settings and it will give you your code. So once you have your code from Google AdSense, then I want you guys to come back to WordPress. Just paste your code right here after head, and you will be able to add the code of Google AdSense to your WordPress website. So yeah guys, that's how easy it is to add a code of AdSense to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.